Hello everybody, this is Robin Dudley House coming to you from my studio in Los Angeles, California. I'm doing a little bit of a different video production today. I am showing you it can either be a sun catcher or a necklace, and it's all made with Tim Holtz Assemblage collection. And this is what the packaging looks like, and here is how I kind of organized all the pieces. I kind of wanted to put a little bit of a spin on this and added a couple of elements that are old. This is an old paintbrush that had lost its bristles, and I just found beauty in that and kept it. And what I did was I drilled holes on the bottom, and then I attached some annealed steel wire, which looks like this. Comes in, you can get it at Ace Hardware. This one is, let's see, what gauge is this? This is 24 gauge. I like it because it rusts. So I like the juxtaposition between the decrepit and the rusting to the new pieces. Tim Holtz, his line is made to look old, but I still think it kind of looks new. So that's why I added this old brush. So this can actually be a necklace. This is also in his collection. It's kind of cool. It's a leather piece with a magnetic clasp. So you can either use it as a sun catcher, like I said earlier, or see, there's some wire there, or a necklace. Kind of a bold statement necklace. So anyway, all you do is you can use anything to hang the pieces on. Trying to see if I can. All you do is just attach jump rings to the bottom of the loops. Probably easier to see on the back. And then just chain, and then, you know, everything's already assembled in this line, so you just attach all of it, and all of the chain, all of the charms, the beaded chain, the rhinestone pieces are all in his collection. And then I just ran some old lace through the wire here. This is also a Tim Holtz piece. I did a rub-on on there, and I actually attached an old rusty nail on there to hook this on. This actually comes off. And this is some old tatting and some old lace as well. So I hope you enjoy that. I'm going to be teaching an online class pretty soon. Similar to this, only there's going to be soldering involved. And I just thought I would start playing around with different things to hang jewelry on. So this is kind of fun, and I'll probably do some more. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, just go ahead and subscribe down below. Also click the bell so that you're notified when I make my next video. And thank you all that have subscribed and those who are new. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.